Deadly mistakes that are silently killing Peace Lily in homes every day. The mistake number 1 that is responsible for more Peace Lily deaths than all the others combined. Mistake number 10. Wrong pots. Mistake number 10 is planting your small Peace Lily into a large pot. This causes serious problems. When you water the plant, the excessive wet soil causes roots to rot. This can even kill the plant. To fix this problem, increase the pot size by only 1 to 2 inches when repotting. Another mistake is using a pot without drainage holes, causing excess water remaining in the pot. This causes constant wet soil that suffocates the roots, resulting in root rot. Mistake number 9. Using wrong soil. Mistake number 9 is using heavy potting soil when repotting. Regular potting soil holds too much moisture. Peace Lily need rich, well-draining soil that stays consistently moist but not soggy, ideally with a pH of 5.8 to 6.5. The best potting mix contains compost, sand or perlite, and cocoa coir. Mistake number 8. Plant is root-bound. The plant will suffer if you ignore when it has become root-bound. Staying in a tiny pot forever stresses plant and reduces fewer blooms. To fix this mistake, repot every 1 to 2 years into fresh, well-draining potting mix. Incorrect lighting. Mistake number 7 is too little or too much direct light. People treat Peace Lily like a true low-light plant, but too little light will cause slow growth and no blooms. But not direct sunlight. Strong sunlight can burn the leaves, causing bleaching, dryness, and burn patches on leaves. The best light is bright, indirect light. Mistake number 6. Wrong water type. It is common to use tap water straight from the faucet, but this may contain fluoride and chlorine that causes brown leaf tips. To fix this mistake, use filtered, distilled, or rainwater. Next mistake is you don't water when the plant actually needs it. You wait your Peace Lily to droop when they are thirsty. Watering after heavy wilting stresses them repeatedly. This results in brown tips on leaves. It is best to check soil weekly. Insert your finger in soil to check. Water if the soil is dry. Below 1 inch for happier leaves. The Peace Lily plants hate dry heat. Dry air or low humidity causes brown tips and brown edges. The plant loves 50 to 60% humidity. It is easy to fix it. Mist leaves a few times a week. Use a water tray with pebbles under the pot, or as a humidifier. Another deadly mistake is when you either never fertilize or over-fertilize your Peace Lily. No food means pale yellow leaves and no flowers. On the other hand, too much burns roots, causing leaves to burn. Make it a habit to feed your plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks from spring to summer. Don't fertilize in winter. I feed liquid power feed. Mistake number 2. Pests problem. Insects like aphids, scale, spider mites, and fungus gnats suck sap, weaken the plant, and spread fast indoors. The insects love stressed or overwatered Peace Lily. Prevent pests by avoiding overwatering and keep the plant healthy. It is a good practice to inspect and treat weekly, especially undersides of leaves and soil surface. Always isolate infested plants first. Mistake number 1. Overwatering. The number 1 killer. This is the most common reason peace lily plants die. Most people think, keep it moist means keep it wet. Wrong. Signs of overwatering include yellow leaves at the base, limp, soft foliage, soft or mushy stems, wilting despite wet soil for many weeks, bad or sour smell from the pot. To prevent it, water only when the top 1 inch of soil feels dry. Use pots with drainage holes. Use well-drained soil. If you feel the pot weight light, it is time to water. Prune spent flowers and yellow leaves at the base. This helps focus energy on new growth and blooms. Your peace lily can thrive for years and bloom like crazy if you avoid these mistakes. Fix even one of these today, and your peace lily plant will forgive you and live forever. Tell me in the comments which mistake you have been making, and which surprised you the most. I read every single one. I hope this video helped save your plant. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more plant care guides. Watch next how to prune yellow leaves and dead flowers on peace lily plant. Thank you for watching.